California, knows how to party. California, knows how to party. In the city of LA, in the city of glowed ones, in the city of Compton. Keep it rockin'.
Now let me welcome everybody to the Wild Wild West, a state that's untouchable like Elliot Ness. The track hits your eardrum like a slug to your chest. Back a vest for your Jimmy in the city of sex. We in that sunshine state where the bomb ass hit be. The state where you never find a dance floor empty and pimp speed. On a mission for them greens, lean, mean, money making machines serving fiends. I've been in the game for 10 years making rap tunes. Ever since Honeys was wearing Sassoon, now it's 95 and they clock me and watch me diamond shining, looking like a Rob Liberace. It's all good, from Diego to the Bay. Your city is the bomb if your city making pay. Throw up a finger if you feel the same way. Straight putting it down for California, yeah.
Fresh out of jail, California dreaming. Soon as I step on the scene, I'm hearing hoochie screaming. Fiending for money and alcohol, for life of a West Side player with callous eye and a strong ball. Only in Cali will we fire, not rally to live and die. In LA we wear chucks, not valleys.
Yeah, that's right.
Just in looks and khaki suits and ride is what we do. Flossing but have caution, we collide with other crews. Famous because we pro trans. Worldwide, let them recognize for Long Beach and Rosecrans. Bumping and grinding like a slow jam. It's West Side, so you know the road will bow down. Let no man say what you say, but give me that bomb beat from Drake. Let me serenade the streets of LA. From Oakland to Sacktown, the Bay Area and back down. Cali is where they put they mag down. Give me love.
Bobby bad, Bobby bad, Bobby bad, Bobby bad, Bobby bad, Bobby